Almost all the Android smartphones today come with support dual SIM slot with 2 SIM cards, but you officially cannot use 2 WhatsApp account, Facebook account or Instagram account in one smartphone. Here I have shared quick tutorial on how to install 2 WhatsApp account on a single Mi and Redmi smartphone and in also other smartphone. So for this, first you have to go to the setting option in your mobile. Move to the app setting. Under app setting, find dual apps and tap on it. Here you can select app you want to duplicate. In this case, select the WhatsApp app. Wait for the process to finish. So now go to the home screen and tap on the second WhatsApp logo you will see in your app launcher. So open the app and register with your second mobile number and enjoy multiple WhatsApp accounts in a single smartphone. Do note that there are few phones that do not come with the dual app features. For these phones, an app called Parallel Space are available on the Play Store. You just download it from the Play Store and install it in your smartphone. After installation, allow it to access your contact and gallery. So now just start the app, and here you will find a list of all applications and select the app you want to clone. Here you can select WhatsApp app and add it to Parallel Space. Now here also you can register your second mobile number and enjoy multiple WhatsApp accounts in your smartphone. Please note that removing clone app can be done by go to again setting dual apps, then toggle off the WhatsApp application and it will automatically uninstall the clone app. In Parallel Space also you have to tap in the Parallel Space button and you can uninstall it from your mobile. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share it with your friends.